wear 20% of our wardrobe 80% of the time, which means that 80% of what we have is actually clutter, never to be worn again. In this video, I share 8 strategies to eliminate wardrobe clutter and teach you to only keep items that serve you well. Before we can declutter our closets, we have to first come face to face with this reality check. Maybe 10 years ago, you liked to party, go clubbing, living up the single life, getting decked out, high heels, makeup, all done, hair perfect. Fast forward to today, and you're a mom of 3 working from home, maybe even homeschooling your children. And let's face it, you probably rock sweats and a t-shirt all day, and your idea of a night out is a shopping trip to Target without the kids. Our wardrobe is often full of things that we wish we could wear, not things that we actually wear or feel good in. So what can we do about it? Quality over quantity, ladies. Ever since I adapted the quality over quantity methodology, my entire wardrobe has transformed. I used to be someone who purchased less expensive clothing, but felt the need to have more of it. So essentially, I could wear a different outfit every day of the week. This was kind of insane because most of my wardrobe was left untouched, and I would consistently only wear my favorite few pieces. Because these items were not great quality, they wouldn't last more than a season before I needed to buy a replacement. These days, because I invest in quality over quantity, not only do I easily sustain a minimalist closet, but each item I choose to purchase is long-lasting and versatile. Which leads me to my next tip: versatility over variety. A fantastic strategy for keeping a minimalistic closet is having items that are high quality and versatile. So a great example of this is actually the tee that I'm wearing now, which can be easily transformed to a work or even a going out outfit within minutes. Simply throw on a blazer or a sweater over it and replace the sneakers for high heels, and boom. Next up is lifestyle. Your wardrobe should cater to you. So before you even begin to declutter, ask yourself, what do I wear all the time? Are you a chilled sweatpants gal? Or maybe you love your jeans? That would be me. Do you have to be more formal for work? Shifting your mindset before you start selecting your minimalist wardrobe is super important. Otherwise, you're just going to keep a bunch of things that you don't wear. If you're getting value from this video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. And let me know, do you struggle picking out what to wear in the morning? How I was able to declutter my closet and keep it clutter-free is through seasonal wardrobe capsules. My favorite method being Project 333. The idea is to just live off 33 items for 3 months, therefore eliminating the stress and worry about what to wear. I've been successfully doing this for about a year now, and I have to be honest with you, it has had such an impact on my closet. For more on Project 333 rules and what specifically to include in your capsule, you can check out this video here. So now that you have a better understanding of what things should actually be in your closet, let's talk about decluttering and creating that perfect minimalist wardrobe. Before you declutter, think of the following. You're only to keep clothes that make you feel good about yourself. How simple is that? If an item makes you feel super insecure, so maybe it doesn't fit right, it's too small, it's too big, toss it. Surround yourself by a feel-good wardrobe. You want to put on a shirt, you want to look in the mirror, and you want to be comfortable, confident, and have that moment of, yep, you know what? I do look good. Selfie time. Now let's declutter, starting with the clothing dump. Dump your entire wardrobe on the bed, floor, or couch. Decluttering takes time, so you might not actually be able to do this all in one day, so you can take out clothing in kind of in batches. So you can start with a drawer, a much more realistic approach for us working moms. Next, you're gonna create piles. Keep, toss, donate, and if you'd like, sell. Every time you're gonna pick up an item, you're gonna ask yourself, do I wear this? Not will I wear this? I hope to wear this. Maybe one day. No. Do you wear it? As in, has it been in the laundry lately? If the answer is no, toss it. It does not serve you. It is just taking up space. Clutter. If the real you only wears jeans or sweatpants or casual wear, that should be the bulk of your closet. Get rid of those fancy dresses. Get rid of those club outfits. If you're not clubbing, it doesn't need to be in your wardrobe. Stay away from one day I will wear this. That day is never going to come. It's just not. Next, get extreme. A minimalistic wardrobe is about only keeping the necessities. And a lot of people think Project 333 is super extreme, and I'm here to tell you that 33 items are like more than enough for you guys to survive a season. I'm a YouTuber, so you would think that I would have to constantly be changing out my outfits, and I'll be very, very transparent. I'm pretty much rocking the same exact things over and over and over again. Choose to keep only the clothing that makes you feel good. If that means that your entire wardrobe is now cut to like 10 or 15 pieces, fantastic. But those are 10 to 15 pieces that you're gonna constantly wear. Not only that, they're 10 to 15 pieces that improve your self-esteem. I know that we probably all have that like pair of pants that we absolutely love and maybe don't fit into, and you know, like you start putting it on and you're like, trying to stretch your feet and like really kind of get into it, maybe getting your kids to help. Okay, you should not be keeping that item. That item is not serving you well. You look fantastic, ladies. Rock what fits. So what are the benefits of having a minimalistic wardrobe? My favorite is no more wasting time trying to figure out what to wear in the morning, because as working moms, time is very precious. No more feeling overwhelmed and undecided. If everything in your closet are things that make you feel good, everything in your closet fits really well, you should be able to, with your eyes closed, put your hands in the closet, pull something out, and be ready to go. And most importantly, when you open your closet, you should feel good about every single item that's in there. Good luck on your decluttering journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And always remember to be good to yourselves.